What if I told you you can reduce customer support work by almost 90% without hiring anyone new? No extra staff, no big team. Just endless messages like is this available, pricing, how to order, same questions again and again all day. So instead of replying faster, you stopped replying manually and replaced it with an AI WhatsApp assistant that handles customer support automatically. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can do the setup of AI Assistant, let me quickly give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time by sending a simple hi message to my WhatsApp AI Assistant. Once I send the message, instantly, it replies that hello, welcome to Medicare Pharmacy. How can we assist you today? Here in this tutorial, we are going to design a WhatsApp assistant for pharmacy business, a complete example. But whether you run a real estate, service-based or any other business, you can customize the same assistant for that too. The logic will be the same. Now I am sending a message as I want to order medicine. Then you will see it ask me for my full name. So I send my full name as smart user. After that, it replies to me by mentioning my name in the next message as a smart user and the message that what medicine would you like to order. You can type the names or upload a prescription. So I am uploading one test prescription, and once I upload the prescription, it replies to me like this that prescription received, our pharmacist will review and confirm availability shortly. Now I am sending my next messages. How long does delivery take? Then it replied to me like this that local delivery 2 to 4 hours, nearby area same day. Next, I am sending a question as what was your store timings? Then it shares me the timing of this pharmacy store. And not only these, this AI assistant give answer all of the questions that were asked from your user. And this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build in this videos. Step by step using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this chatbot. At first, open a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp assistant for your own business but don't know any programming language, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual replies. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly chart flow by clicking on this Access Now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant feature that are present in this left-hand menu bar. See, these are the all features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, this is the page where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand what is knowledge base and how you can create an AI assistant. At first, we are going to create a new assistant. So, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. Then it will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am entering as. This AI assistant replaces 90% of customer support work. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button and see our AI assistant is created successfully, as it is the starting point of designing your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type that I am selecting as AI agent. It will provide you multiple types of instructions. You can select it by your own choice. As soon as you can select the instructions type as AI agent, it will automatically automatically generate the instructions here. Now what is instructions? So instructions defines how the AI should behave and how the AI assistant will reply to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that the assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. Moving forward, I am selecting a model provider as OpenAI and the model I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. After that, it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform. For generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, the project I am selecting as default project and the permission I am setting as all. After that, I will click on this create secret key button and see, I got my API key. Here, I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now, I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options such as header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempts and fallback message. You can set any of these settings by enabling this toggle completely based on your own choice. Here I am not adding any header, footer message, and also not adding stop keywords as well as retry attempts. So I have disabled this, but you can enable it if you want to. After that, the fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. Here I have entered the fallback message as this, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial, we are going to design an automated WhatsApp assistant for pharmacy business as a dummy example. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file. Let me show you. See, this is the knowledge base file for pharmacy AI assistant, where I have entered all the information about my pharmacy business and the instructions for the AI assistant to medicine availability, store timings, customer support details, and some FAQs. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. I have designed this knowledge base file by my choice, but you can customize it, make this more interactive, more interesting, completely based on your own business, as it plays the important role. After designing your knowledge base file, you have to click on this files option and download this file in a PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now I am clicking on this option. After that, I am clicking on this add new file and simply dragging and dropping this file here. After that, I'm clicking on this upload files button and see the file is uploaded. Next, I'm selecting it from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file inside Pabbly chart flow. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can design your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. Where at first I'm entering the heading as smart AI assistant, and you can see as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is showing here too. Initial message I entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. After that, the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. help. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can change it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will becomes active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of AI assistant by using Pabbly chart flow. And the another one is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other applications. Once you clicked on this button, the system will gives you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy the code and paste that code inside your websites, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your websites too. Now after doing the setup of AI assistant, I am clicking on the settings option and going in this inbox settings. Now I am going to set the AI assistant for all my contacts. See, this is the Pabbly chart for inbox settings, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of enable AI auto replies. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list. From here on form, you have to set your AI assistant that I am selecting as all contacts. After that, select the AI assistant from here and click on the save button. See, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So this is how easily you can set the AI assistant to your all contacts. And if you want to set the AI assistant for any specific contacts, then we have a solution for that too. So for that, you have to go in this inbox feature. After that, select the contact. On form, you have to set the AI assistant. Choose the AI assistant from here and select it from this drop down. After that, click on the save button. This is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to any specific user. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. If you want me to create a separate AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chartflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chartflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.